Read me, with topic.
Higher education is necessary.
3, 2, 1, go.
Higher education is necessary. Higher education is essential for personal growth, career advancement, and social mobility. It provides individuals with the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to succeed in their chosen fields and prepares them to contribute positively to society. Higher education also promotes critical thinking, problem solving, and intellectual curiosity, fostering a lifelong love of learning. Additionally, a higher education degree is often a requirement for many high-paying and high-skilled jobs, providing economic stability and upward mobility. Access to higher education is important to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to achieve their full potential and contribute to the betterment of society.